What is a tsunami? A large wave caused by underwater earthquakes. Which of the following can trigger a tsunami? An earthquake. How fast can a tsunami travel in deep water? 500 miles per hour. What is the first sign of an approaching tsunami? The water receding from the shore. How can tsunamis be detected and monitored? Seismometers. Which ocean is known for having high tsunami activity? Indian Ocean. How far inland can a tsunami travel? Up to 5 miles. What precautions can be taken to prepare for a tsunami? Evacuate to higher ground. What is the safest location during a tsunami warning? A sturdy building on high ground. What is the most important factor in reducing tsunami casualties? Early warning systems.